Hey Dad, Mom, this is where I am now. There's my old truck. Lexus in the front of the garage. It's like a 2.5, 3 car. It's alright. Little fire pit. It's nice, pretty quiet neighborhood. Just a basement. Nothing really to show down there, just laundry and storage. This is the kitchen. Yeah, a bit of a mess. I'm still putting stuff away. This is my room. Yes, it's a mess. Just got everything in. Bathroom. Small, but worked well. Living room. Pretty good TV. Kitchen. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. I know. And this leads up to the computer room and Dan's bedroom. Fridge. Full of good stuff. Anyway. See you later.